Hello all and welcome back to the channel. Like you can see, it is very cold here, only 3 degrees Celsius. Today we're going to do some bluing. I have some rusty bolts here and we make a nice beautiful blue color of it. I will show you how I do it, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. So first of all, I have a batch here that I have to do some bluing on it. So I will clean them first up. I derust them. So I want to clean this up first, get so many rusts of it. So therefore I use acid. It's chlorhydric. I have made a video of using this. The link is on top here. So if you want to use that, watch that video first, so you know it's dangerous. Use hand gloves and breathing mask and something to protect your eyes. So first of all, I will clean this up. I will not show you that anymore because I will not bothering you while I'm cleaning this and putting it in the acid. So let's get back to it when I'm ready to do some bluing. Okay, they have been cleaned up now. Now I'm going to take them out. You see, all the rust is gone. Watch out. So all the rust is converted. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the residue that is still in the acid. That is all eaten off. So I take my bucket to rinse my pincet here, because we will need that in a minute. These are the bolts. As you can see, no rust anymore. It's all converted. Now we take some soap with nitrate in it and we eliminate with this the process. Make sure you clean them very good. And as you can see, instead of a white foam, I have already a brownish foam. So the stuff that is still on it is now neutralized. And now we can rinse it. So and as you can see, no rust, clean and ready to be blued. Well, it's all blown dry, as you can see, perfectly without any grease on and ready to be blued. What do we use for that? That's really simple. I have here some old oil, not used. Reminded, don't use used oil. This is old gear oil, very thick, from BP. We will use that. As you can see, very thick. We take a dish here to put bolts in that are being blued. And this is a very easy way, but the only thing that I have is I have problems with the consistency. Some will be darker, some will be a little bit brighter, but normally you get a good result. If you want to have them all in the same color, then you have to give them to a shop that can do bluing. They will heat them up all in once until the right temperature, and then throw it all in oil at the same time, and then you will have a consistency of your color. But in this way, it's a really good end result, and it's good for me. So here we go. What do we need? As I said, the oil, a fire, your bolts, pliers to hold your bolts and nuts, and then you have to heat them up until they come blue, and when they are blue, put them in the oil, and that will do the rest. The oil will react with the heating and makes a layer on the bolt. So after that, you take them out, put them in this bucket here, and then you leave it with the oil on, so it can dry, it can cool off, and it can harden. So now we're going to put the fire on. Just a torch here. Nope. And you see, it's not a big fire. So let's heat the bolt up. Of course, we have a big end here, so that will be heated up slowly. And you'll see changing the color of the bolt. When that hits blue, then you put it in the oil. It's changing color now. So these bolts take a little bit time because they are bigger. Okay. And don't worry, you will not get fired, only a smoke. That's all. Now you can see that it come blue. That's the color we want. A little bit here. I'm taking always another bolt to show you how short or how long you have to heat it. These are the wheel nuts. Wheel bolts, sorry. So as you can see, the color is changing already to blue. You have to watch it that it's everywhere the same. Now we throw it in. Maybe a little bit fast. Oh, yeah. Don't want that. Nope, that either. It's too fast. Not too much. Okay, this will do better. Now long bolts. Same here. These are a little bit harder to do because they are longer. You see the head is already blue. So I want to keep that heat a little bit down there, so the rest can blue up. Right now. Now the bolt is really blue now. And that's in. So, let me see if I can grab one here. Yeah. This one I will tap the oil off so we can see the difference. I will take the one without. So you can see the bluing is done. And really nice. Everywhere the same color. And it will not rust again. So take your time with bluing. Then you get the best result. Make sure it's heat enough. It's hot enough. Now we can see starting the nut is coming blue. Sometimes when it's too hot, it changes colors again. So and you have to wait. This it's not about how hot it is, it's about not making it red, because if you make it red the bolt will lose its capacity. So now I'm doing a washer. Extremely careful with these ones because they heat rapidly up. So the bluing, there you see it already. Okay, and up she goes. So they are still in the bucket, as you can see, only one. I can hold it like that. There's two magnets in. And first of all, let's take some bolts out. Oh. Really? Okay, starting with this nut here. As you can see, blue. And we lay it there. And it's best to leave the oil on. As you can see, nicely blued. Blue colorish color. This one is blue too, but some places are not so bright, but all the rest is okay. Oh, yeah. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay. Some days are better than the others. So, look at this. Nicely blue. And now it can cool down, and you leave it like that with the oil. Don't rub it off, otherwise you will rub it off now. When it's cooled down, you can rub it off and it will stay on the bluing. So, is it hard to do? No. Really not. Is this costing a lot of money? Just some oil. If you don't have a torch, you can always use a heater like that. That's the same with gas, but it has to have some flow in the flame, otherwise you cannot warm them up correctly. Like the nut, beautiful blue color. Bolt also, they are still hot. The nut, beautiful blue color. And now it can cool down. So the bluing is done. I'm very happy with the outcome. Now I can use those bolts. You don't have to degrease them, just let the oil on it and montate it and with grease or whatever. They will stay for a long time good, they will not rust again. I did my bolts also for the transaxle, the gearbox, and until now, no rust. Very easy way to do. And I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe, hit that notification bell, then you get a notification when the next video is up. Like it, share it, and if you want to comment something, please do. I only learn about it. Last thing I will say is thank you very much, and see you later.